department, Miss Titi Bijoy, the backbone of this event. Welcome you, Miss. I welcome all our loving teachers and aunties who its effort for success of our great school. I welcome all our dear parents, join my little friends to this program. I wish my little friends very happy Children's Day. Hoping like a day, wonderful day. Welcoming you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Kalpana. I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Karmavalan sir, who is the branch manager of Macmillan Educational India Private Limited. I welcome you, sir, to this function. Can you imagine a Children's Day celebration without remembering our dear child?